Still work remotely, make more, and they offer tuition assistance. So I want you to just have some breathing room to dig into all of that and do some homework so that we can cash flow this thing and you can graduate completely debt-free as a nurse.
I love that plan. You know, I love that she's wanting to go to school, but I love that she wants to do it debt-free, but sometimes you got to put those things on hold.
Yes. Hang on the line, Carly. I'm going to send you our best-selling book, Debt-Free Degree. It'll walk you through all of the options, give you some creative ideas, and give you some confidence in this plan. So hang on the line. We're going to get that book over to you.
I love that. Thanks for the call, Carly. Let's go over to Odessa, Texas. We've got Courtney on the line. Courtney, what's going on in your...
Well, my dad passed away a little over a year ago, and he left me some property, and I'm just kind of curious what you guys advise I should do with that.
Wow. So sorry for your loss. How old was he?
He was in his 50s.
Wow. That's tough. That is tough. So tell me a little bit about the situation. You know, you said he left you a property. What type of property is it? Is there what is it? It's just land. Tell me about that.
Well, it's a few properties. One is it's 5 lots, and it has some like kind of rundown trailer houses, and then it has a few like RV camper things on it, and then 2 commercial properties, and then another property that is like 7 lots, and that has like 4 houses on it.
Wow.
Wow.
What is all of this worth?
I'm not 100% sure in regards of like a total amount, but I'm guessing somewhere around maybe like with the commercial properties, I think those are maybe 130,000, and then the land is probably, I don't know, maybe a guesstimate around like 20,000, and then the properties that have houses on it, I think that my dad paid like, it was like $15K for it, and so it's probably appreciated in value some, but I'm not sure exactly how much.
So like maybe like 165, 170 for the lot of it?
That's what I'm thinking, somewhere around
Is
there.
any of it cash flowing currently?
No.
Okay. Are you wanting to hang on to this and deal with it, or would you rather just sell it all and use that money to propel your own financial journey? What excites you more?
I feel like I'm living in one of the properties right now, and so I kind of want to hold on to that at least, because I don't have any mortgage or anything. I just have, you know, like the utilities and the property tax annually. So
that's great. Do you have any debt?
I do have some student loan debt, but I'm working on paying that off. So.
How much debt do you have left total?
Right now it's at $36K.
All right. And what's your income?
I make about $38K a year.
Okay. So what if you worked with a real estate agent and said, hey, for now, I'm going to sell one of the properties and clear my debt and get that fully funded emergency fund in place? Would that make you feel better to free up a payment and have that pile of money there?
I think it would, definitely.
I would start there. And as you feel comfortable, start selling more of it off, unless you love a piece of it and it's cash flowing well and hang on to it. But, you know, this is a legacy that's left for you to build, and I think your dad would be proud.
That's not a parking spot. That's too small. That's way too small. What the fuck is he talking about?
Man, what a great legacy to leave. And it's going to clear her debt and leave her better off
see
for it.
things that aren't really
This is the
there.
Ramsey Show.
Hey, I get it. Budgets are tight right now, so it's time to really look at your typical expenses and see where you can save, especially on overpriced services like your phone bill. This is one area you can save big with the right provider. That's why I recommend Consumer Cellular. They give you the same great coverage as the big name providers, and you can save up to half on your bill by switching. Consumer Cellular offers plans starting at just $20 a month. And forget getting stuck on hold or dealing with dumb robo-services. Consumer Cellular has been ranked #1 in customer service among value mobile virtual network operators 13 times in a row. So you get a real person ready to help you every time. Go to consumercellular.com. Ramsey, use the promo code Ramsey and get $25 off your bill for a limited time. It's time to give your budget a break. Check out Consumer Cellular today.
If you're struggling with healthcare costs, the weight can feel crushing, but you don't have to carry it alone. Christian Healthcare Ministries is a faith-based health cost share that offers budget.
No, está bien chiquito ahí.
With Christian Healthcare Ministries, you don't have to live in fear of the next injury or illness, and you can help others have the same peace of mind. Go to chministries.org/budget to learn more today. That's chministries.org/budget.
When it comes to home security, make sure you're getting the best bang for your buck. Home security brands will overcharge you and lock you into contracts. But Simply Safe's 24/7 professional monitoring plans cost under $1 a day with no long-term commitment.
No,
and you can order your system at Simply Safe Direct. Claim a free indoor security camera.
Oh.
20% off your order with interactive monitoring. There's no safe like Simply Safe.